Paper cups became popular in the early 1900s as a hygienic alternative to shared drinking vessels, which were commonly used in public places. Their rise was strongly influenced by growing public awareness of sanitation and the spread of diseases like tuberculosis, promoting people to seek safer, single-use options. The process begins with a specially coated plastic-backed sheet, which feeds into a long, lane-sized printer. The paper moves through the printer in a continuous ribbon, passing through multiple stations where rotating cylinders apply each layer of color one at a time to build the final image. After printing is complete, a rotary die cuts the paper into flat shapes, each sized according to the type of cup being made. These cutouts are put on a conveyor in an overlapping shingle-like pattern. A computerized system counts each piece as it moves along the line. The flats exit the machine on their sides, forming a neat row instead of being stacked. This layout makes it easier for workers to collect and move them to the next stage of production. The flats are then loaded onto another conveyor in a separate section. A mechanism picks up the flats and transfers them to a rotating carousel. As the cup begins to take shape, mechanical jaws wrap each flat around a mandrel, while a heat gun seals the edges. At the same time, another roll of paper is fed into the opposite side of the machine, where circular shapes are cut out to form the cup bottoms. Next, the bottoms are placed onto the cups and secured with heat, which melts the plastic layer on the unprinted side of the paper to create a strong seal. The next operation adds a rim to each cup, making it easier to take a sip without spilling. A heated tool curls the edge of each cup to form a smooth rim. Then a vacuum system lifts each cup into the overhead ductwork for transport, moving them toward the packing department. There, the cups land in stacking tubes, while a counter keeps a running tally and portions them out. The stacks of cups pass through a plastic curtain, where heated clamps seal the wrapping firmly around them. With the stacks securely covered, they're prepared for the next stage of packing. Meanwhile, in the inspection area, coffee is heated up as part of a testing process. Cups taken from the assembly line are examined to ensure they don't leak. Many paper cups are designed to be eco-friendly and are made with materials that make them easier to recycle compared to traditional plastic cups. Some are lined with plant-based coatings that help reduce environmental impact and support composting or recycling efforts. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in another episode.